Looking for your AWeber Autoresponder code but can't seem to find it? You're not alone. Whether you're setting up automation, integrating with another tool, or embedding a sign-up form, I'll show you exactly where to find it fast. And stick around, because at the end, I'll also tell you about a better alternative if you're looking for more flexibility or better email automation. So let's get right into it. First, log into your AWeber account. In the dashboard, go to Lists and select the one you want to work with. Then, head over to the Sign Up Forms tab. If you already have a form, click on it, otherwise create a new one. Next, in the form editor, look for the Publish section. AWeber gives you different ways to share your form, like direct links, hosted pages, or HTML code. If you need the Autoresponder embed code, click on Raw HTML version. This is the code you can paste into your website or landing page to automatically trigger your email sequence. If you're integrating with another tool, like ClickFunnels, WordPress, or Shopify, AWeber also provides API keys and third-party integrations. You'll find these under Integrations in the account settings. Some platforms allow direct one-click integration, while others require copying and pasting your API key. Now, here's where things get a bit frustrating with AWeber. While it's great for basic automation, it's not as flexible as some of its competitors. If you need more advanced automation, better segmentation, or AI-powered personalization, you might find AWeber a little limited. And that's why after trying all the major autoresponders, I found one that just works better for most businesses. If you want an easier way to manage email automation with more customization, integrations, and advanced features, check out the first link in the description. You'll get an exclusive free trial and special perks only available to our viewers. That's it for this one. Hope this helped. See you in the next video.